Yo. What's up, Kanal? Wait. Just wait. Oh. Lock in. First one. This one is easy. So this one you just use chain rule. Oh yeah. Okay, so this one you just use chain rule. So you put the 4 down. You put the 4 down and then just copy whatever's inside to power 3 and then differentiate the middle, which is times 2x minus 5. So this is the answer. 1 mark, I just need to write the answer. Second one, if function x is equal to x over sine x, find f prime of pi over 2. This one, you just use quotient rule if you know what quotient rule is. So it's f prime, which is 1, times gx, which is sine x, minus fx, which is x, times g prime x, which is cosine x, I believe, over sine squared x. So now this is f prime x is equal to this. So f prime of pi 2 would be equal to sine over pi over 2 is 1. And cosine pi over 2 is 0. And sine pi over 2 is 1. So this whole thing is just equal to 1. Yup. Antiderivative. Okay, so antiderivative basically take an integral. So dx. So this one you just need to u sub. Von der UdSSR, wir sind alle hier so jung in der FDJ, wir sind alle hier so frei in der FDJ, wir sind alle hier so gut in der FDJ, warum von der SSR. Wir sind beide von der UdSSR. I do for hours, telling all the husbands I'm feeling good, pretty sick, my baby. You can have the towels. I go for hours, telling all the husbands I'm feeling gooner. Great, nice, good job. Your mom started blending. Oh, okay. Okay, you can ask the flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the Bill and Coopers, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Oh my god! Oh my god! God, hand even my hand snapped. Why, bro? Reading my Discord messages. Where I read your Discord message? Yeah, if you okay, you tell me lah. I right now. I rest. Skibbity, skibbity, can you hear the skibbity, skibbity toilet simping cat? It is the music of the Sigma sticking out their bomba clot. When the vibes are super sus, all of the Sigmas eat your pick. Oh, you didn't tell me. It stopped. Bro, you didn't tell me. Fucking dumbass, bro. Okay. U equals 2x minus 1. This I do a U sub, okay? So here I'll do U sub. So du dx will be equal to 2. So I just differentiate both sides, yeah? Should be more clear like this. I just differentiate both sides, which is equal to 2. Then du is equal to 2 dx. So I'll just multiply this to the other side, yeah? Du is equal to 2 dx. So now this will be equal to 1 over u to the power 3. And so dx is equal to du over 2. So it's equal to du over 2. So I'm basically doing half u negative 3 du. So using power rule, just here, using power rule, I get wait, is it plus 1 or minus 1? It's plus 1, yeah. So u squared over negative 2 1/2 plus c. So this one, I would just get 1 over 4u squared plus c, which is equal to 1 over 4u squared minus 1, 2x minus 1 plus c. So this one is free, basically. The rule for a function h is h of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 1. Find a rule for inverse function h1. So this one's really easy. X would be equal to 2 h negative 1 3 plus 1, and now just 2 what am I doing? X minus 1 over 2 to the cube root is equal to h negative 1. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, great. Okay, great probability. I'll try. Find a mean of x. Okay, so this should just be 1 times 0.02. So just the number times the probability. Oh, by the way, if you don't understand, just like text me or something, I'll go back. Plus 1 plus 0.3. I might be wrong on this one, but yeah, it should be 1.5. Yeah, I think it makes sense. What's the probability that Daniel receives only 1 telephone call on each? So 0.2 cubed. This one, yeah, pretty easy. No calculator, right? So 0.04 times 0.2, which is 0.0008. I want to say 0.008. If I'm wrong, then yeah, fuck me. Daniel received cell phone calls on both Monday and Tuesday. What's the probability that Daniel received a total of 4 calls over these 2 days? Total of 4 calls. So it's 2 days. Yep, 2 days. Receives. So it's not 0. So I think. So 2 telephone calls. I could do a 1 and a 3 and a 2 and a 2. Yeah. What test is it? 2012 math methods. Exam 1. Yeah, you can see it here. Are you going to try or what? Yeah, the test. Yeah, the test. Math methods. 2012 exam 1. I could ask for flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the Bill and Coopers, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Ooh. Yeah, can I continue? Can I continue? Can I continue? Okay, I'll continue. Okay, so wait, what's the question again? Risky cell phone calls on both Monday and Tuesday. What's the probability of 4 phone calls over 2 days? So, fuck. So I could Monday and I could Tuesday. I could get 1 phone calls on Monday, 3 phone calls on Tuesday, both 2, or 3 phone calls on Monday and 1 phone call on Tuesday. So I just have to add the probabilities up. I want to say, should be. I mean, hopefully it is. So 0.02 times 0.5 and 0.5, which is 0.25. Oh, add times 0. Okay, I'm not writing out the full steps, so it should be like PR and something, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, PR something. Yeah. But, okay, sketching a graph, but this one should be an easy graph. So we just sub in values, I'm pretty sure. So when x equal, so this one, yeah, x equals 0, then negative 3, 3, negative 2, so y will, x equals 0, y equals negative 1, yeah. And all the way until x equals 3, then y will be equal to 2. Yeah, this should be linear, yeah. To y equals, x equals 3, y equals 2. And then they'll go back down, because when x equals 4, y actually equals 1, so it goes back down. So I'll just connect it. And then its domain is from 0 to 5, so I'll just draw it from here to here, yeah? And yeah, because x value only goes from 0 to 5. So this is the graph of this thing right here. Oh, by the way, you don't need a calculator. Solve question 4. I did solve question 4. I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. Thank you. Find the coordinates of the image of the point 3, 2 under reflection in the x-axis, followed by translation of 5 units in a positive. Finish Q4. This is the answer, by the way. This is the answer. I just didn't write the steps. Yeah. Part C. This is the answer. This is the answer. Yes. This should be in front. I just didn't write it. It's not 0.29. What's the question? Oh, conditional oh, I forgot. Okay. 0.29. Given that it's given that I've calls both Monday and Tuesday. Okay. So 0.8 times 0.8 over 0.8 squared equal to 29 over 64. Yeah. Nice. Alright. 64. Find the coordinates of the image of the point under reflection of the y-axis, followed by translation. Oh, shut the fuck up. I'm doing it. I'm doing the other question. Label the axis. Yeah. Find the coordinates of the image of the point 3, 2 under reflection in the x-axis. So 3, 2 turns into 3, negative 2. Follow translation of 5 units in the positive direction in the x-axis, so it turns into 8, negative 2. Find the equation of the image of the graph under reflection in the x-axis. So wait, what's the function? So function of x is equal to negative x minus 3 plus 2. Under reflection on y-axis. So should just be negative, I'm pretty sure. And it would turn into x minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is done for reflection. Translation is 5 units in the positive direction. So it's just minus 8. Is it? I forgot. How do you translate it again? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Translate is x minus c for x in the positive direction. Yup. Graphs of y cosine x and a sine x have a point intersection at x equals pi over 3. So intersection at pi. So I just sub in pi over 3, I'm pretty sure. Cosine pi over 3 is 60 degrees, which is 1/2, and a, which is 3 over 2. So I'll just multiply 2 over 3, so I get a is equal to 1 over root 3. Find the x coordinate. No, I don't want to do this. Of the two graphs. Okay, so y equals cosine x, right? So this is pi. This is 2 pi. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Okay, so a sine x. Yeah, I don't want to do this. I think you could tell. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I want to give up. I'm bad at these, so I'm just gonna solve this one. I don't care. 1 mark. So be it. I'll check the answers later. X equals ln 2x plus 1 to be. So 2 of natural log x squared over x. No, no. It should be natural log of x squared plus a squared plus 2ab, which is 4x plus 4 minus natural log of x is equal to this one. So natural log of x squared plus 4x plus 4 over x, the whole thing over 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I know ln1 is equal to 0 because e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x squared plus x. And now it's just a quadratic. So plus 3x plus 4. And then, yeah, whatever is the answer. I'm not sure. Answer is, so x minus 4, x plus 1, 0. So the answer is x equals 4 or negative 1, but x is larger than 0, so x is equal to 4. Great. Explain natural log. What did I explain? So ln of something is equal to something, so e to the power of c is equal to x. Yeah. Do you know what e is? Where e is equal to 2.71 and then something. I don't know. Oh, by the way, the 1828 is just a coincidence. It doesn't repeat, okay? It's just a coincidence that it repeats, which is a very fun coincidence. Yeah. Fun coincidence. So I think the definition of E is 1 over. I think that's the definition of E. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure that is. And yeah, that like E is literally defined as this function. So yeah, I mean it's just a number. It's just like pi. So no. I don't want to do something like this. Okay. Can we skip this? Random variable x is normally distributed with a mean of 100 and standard deviation of 4. Oh, I can skip it. Thank you. Okay, wait. I can do this. I can do this. Do you know what a probability density function is? Do you know? Why is this so different? They're not related at all. But yeah. What? 3 marks. I can do this. You don't understand. Don't skip it. You're kidding me. Yeah, I reckon I could try. So I mean, all I do is just I draw a bell curve, and this is 100. This is plus 4 plus 8 minus 4 minus A. My this is Q. Yeah, this is probability of Q. Find this in terms of Q. So Q. I mean, okay. So, so PR94 x 100 is this portion, right? Is this portion. This is PR94, and it should be the same as this portion. So let me just write it down. And this should be quite clear, because I want these two to have at least a relation. Then it's troubling me. It's deeply troubling me. So this is Q. So wait, so this is Q. If this is Q, and this is 0.5, then Q minus 0.5 is equal to... Got it. Oh my days, okay. Okay, I just have to draw out. Great. And so PR of 94 x 100 is equal to Q minus 0.5. Got it. Great. Okay. Probability density function. So this one should be free, yeah. So such that x is less than b. So b to 0 of x plus 1, x plus 1 to 2 dx is equal to this. Did I draw it other way around? I think that's C. Yeah, that's correct. Great. And now I just have to integrate this, which is x squared over 2 plus x. Yeah, it's x squared over 2 plus x from b to 0, which is equal to b squared over 2 plus b 1 squared, which is equal to b squared over 24 plus b over 12. So this whole thing should be equal to 5 over 8. Yup. And now, you just solve the quadratic yourself. I'm not solving quadratic. Not in mood. Great. F prime x. Just sine x cosine x. F. So it's just a product rule, by the way. F prime g plus f g prime. I'm not writing down the whole thing. So f prime is 1. G is... Why did I integrate both? Okay, sine x plus f times g prime, which is cosine x. Oh, I'm really not in a fucking mirror right now. X is f prime. Am I correct? Maybe. Could be. Yeah, should be. Using the results of part A. Is this fundamental theorem calc? Oh, I think it is. So B equals 3. Okay, thank you. Do Brawl Stars break at 2? No. That's you that wants a break. It's not me that wants a break. You know, that's different. Me and you were different people. I could ask for flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the Bill and Coobers, pretty little bit. Bro really wants a Brawl Stars break. That's crazy. Bro wants a Brawl Stars break. Bro wants a Brawl Stars. No, Brawl Stars. Brawl Stars. Okay, so f prime dx is just equal to fx. Yeah. So Brawl Stars x sine x minus sine x dx is just wait, sine x dx is equal to negative cosine x. Bro, Brawl Stars. So I just sub in pi over 2, pi over 6. Again, I have no intentions of really doing this, but let's just do it anyways. Pi over 2, sine pi over 2 is times 1. Sine pi over 2 is times 1, why did I write that? Plus cosine pi over 2, which is 0. Great. Minus, should be minus. Pi, sine of pi over 6, which is 1 over 2. Minus cosine pi over x, that is 6, which is root 3 over 2. So the answer I get should be something along the lines of this. I'm not simplifying this, but yeah. In the form of I pi, but yeah, who cares? I don't care, not me. How? Oh, this is the last question. We can have a Brawl Stars break then. I can. Wait, how long do we have for this whole thing? 1 hour. Yeah, who the fuck would take 1 hour to do this? Let's be honest here. Alright. Oh wait. You won't take 1 hour, Knopf. I don't think you would take 1 hour. This one is really free. Why am I blanking out? Okay, this is really easy. Why am I blanking out? Find in terms of x the x coordinate of the stationary point of the graph. So stationary point is just slope equals 0. Oh, by the way, you need to know some terms. Stationary point is ddx fx equals 0 or f prime x equals 0. A point where the slope is equal to 0. So you just have to know these terms. Yeah. Like know about hot, because you know they won't give you the meaning of the word. So ddx, dear mother, okay, is equal to negative me negative mx plus 3. So wait, how much? 2 marks. Okay, 2 marks. This whole thing will be equal to 0. So me negative mx, I want this to be equal to 3. Yeah. And find in terms of m, the x coordinate. Okay. So x is equal to 3 over m. E negative mx will be equal to 3 over m. And we take the natural log on both sides. And we 1 over negative m natural log of 3 over m. Hopefully. Should I check the answers? Because that looks really fucking weird. Oh no, I'm correct. Okay, great. Say the values of m such as the x coordinate at this point. Sure. Is a positive number. So 1 over m of ln is also equal to 1 over m of ln. Why is natural log not normal? No, I mean it's normal. It's a correct answer, but it just looks weird to me. Why natural log? Natural log is the inverse function of so if you have ex is equal to something, if you take the natural log on both sides, you get x equals ln c. Yeah, stream has delay, so yeah, you just have to wait because I see your messages. Yeah. So yeah, here. Natural log. So natural log is log base e, and so log e, if log ex is equal to c, then ec is equal to x. Yeah. I probably shouldn't use something like that. C is equal to x, then ex is equal to c. Yeah. So just take some time and get to understand what I mean. So you could go both sides. So natural log is just to like delete both sides. So do you understand? Do you get it? Just tell me if you get it or not. Or do I need like further explanation? You could ask the flowers. I say for maybe you understand. Do you want me to write some logarithm properties for you? Because there's a lot of like logarithm properties that yeah you should know. I mean, if you don't understand, you could like go back to logarithms, because yeah, methods has quite a bit of logarithms that you might need to know. Yeah. Oh shit. Say the values of them. Yeah. Now you do it on time. Okay. Cool. Great. So I want this to be positive. Yeah. So if m is negative, natural log. Okay, so natural log just couldn't be negative. So inside a natural log, it's never negative, by the way, because e to the power of x, like e to the power of anything, you couldn't yield a negative number. Yeah, you could never yield a negative number. So I just need m is larger than 0, and all is good. Yeah, m is larger than 0, and m could not be 0 because yeah, m is in the denominator. You backtrack the log. That's good. Yeah, just like get to know the basic rules. And this is the last question. Last question. The tangent to a graph. The tangent. So, if you don't know what the word tangent means, just like this line which only touches a point. Yeah. Also some terminology. Yeah. You need to know basically all the terminologies. Tangent of the graph. Y equals fx at x equals negative 6 passes through the origin. Let me write down. So I should just find the slope, yeah? I could after hours. I sit for hours. Why do I have white stuff on my hand? I didn't goon today. What? I never goon, but yeah. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I think I just find. So I know. So just, if I sub in, like I know ddx of fx is equal to negative me negative mx plus 3. So negative me to the power of 6m plus 3 is equal to the slope, yeah? So, no. Okay, wait, so f of 6 is equal to e to 6m plus 18. Gradient of tangent. So this slope. Wait, why is it low-key troubling me? This should not be troubling me. So now it goes through origin, yeah. So the graph of the tangent should just be in the form of mx. I probably shouldn't use m. Let's use like s because m is already used. So I know. Okay. So I know this because it has slope. So okay. I think I know what I'm doing now. So negative me to 6m plus 3 is equal to e to the negative 6m plus 18 over its y value. No, over its x value, which is over 6. So I think I should now just have to solve for this, yeah? And negative 6m e 6m plus 18 is equal to 6m plus 18, delete. So e to 6m, wait, is it? How do I do this? I could ask if I was. Oh, no, it's not negative. Negative of negative. So it's just positive. E to 6m minus 1 is equal to 0. Then, so m is equal to 1 over 6. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, m is equal to 1 over 6. This is hard. What is this? This looks easy. Yeah, no, my brain's just lagging, yeah? My brain's just lagging. So great, I solved everything. Did I? Yeah. So do you want Brawl Stars break or something? I could ask if I was. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the billing cougars, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Ooh. Do you understand? I can't explain my full process really well, but you know, it's just a methods paper, pretty basic. I mean, I have 1 hour. This only took me like what, half an hour.